Unleash your inner artist top tablets for 2025. Hey everyone, it's Marcus here. Today we're diving into the best tablets for artists. Whether you're a professional or just starting out, these tablets will take your art to the next level. We're talking about that perfect blend of power, portability, and precision to bring your creative visions to life. From stunning displays with vibrant colors to pressure-sensitive styluses that feel like real pens, we'll break down the top contenders in the game. We'll dive deep into the specs, the features, and what makes each of these tablets stand out from the crowd. So if you're ready to find the perfect digital canvas to unleash your inner artist, stick around. Let's get started. First up, we have the iPad Pro, a device that needs no introduction in the creative world. Apple's really been pushing the iPad as a laptop replacement, and honestly, for artists, it might just be that. The M2 chip inside this thing is an absolute beast, handling even the most demanding creative apps with ease. No lag, no stutter, just pure performance. But the real star of the show here is the Apple Pencil, specifically the second-gen version. The pressure sensitivity, the tilt support, the low latency, it all comes together to create an experience that's incredibly close to drawing on real paper. And with features like Scribble for handwriting to text and seamless integration with the iPad OS ecosystem, it's a productivity powerhouse. The iPad Pro also boasts a stunning Liquid Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology, meaning you're getting super smooth visuals and incredibly accurate colors. Whether you're sketching, illustrating, or even doing some light 3D modeling, the iPad Pro can handle it. Next up, we have a more budget-friendly option, but don't let the price fool you. The Wacom Intuos Pro still packs a punch. Wacom has been a staple in the digital art world for years, and for good reason. Their tablets are known for their responsiveness and pressure sensitivity, and the Intuos Pro is no exception. This tablet is all about giving you that natural drawing experience without breaking the bank. The included Wacom Pro Pen 2 offers 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, tilt support, and virtually no lag. It's incredibly precise, making it ideal for everything from sketching to detailed illustrations. Plus, the Intuos Pro comes with customizable express keys and a touch ring, allowing you to create shortcuts for your most used commands. It streamlines your workflow and lets you focus on what matters most, your art. Chapter 3. Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, the AMOLED beauty. Now let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. This tablet is a visual powerhouse, boasting a stunning AMOLED display that brings your art to life with vibrant colors and deep blacks. Seriously, if you're someone who loves working with color, this display is a game changer. And the S Pen, Samsung's answer to the Apple Pencil, is no slouch either. It's incredibly responsive, offering 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity and low latency, making it feel incredibly natural to use. Plus, it magnetically attaches to the back of the tablet for easy storage and charging. But the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus isn't just about looks. It's powered by the Snapdragon 865 Plus processor, meaning it can handle pretty much anything you throw at it. Whether you're running demanding creative apps, multitasking between projects, or even doing some light gaming on the side, this tablet can keep up. Chapter 4. Microsoft Surface Pro 7, the 2-in-1 powerhouse. For those who need a tablet that can also double as a full-fledged laptop, the Microsoft Surface Pro 7 is a compelling option. It's running full Windows, meaning you have access to the full suite of creative software available. The Surface Pen, when paired with the Surface Pro 7, offers a really solid drawing experience. It's got 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity, tilt support, and very minimal lag. It excels at sketching, note-taking, and even more detailed illustration work. But where the Surface Pro 7 really shines is its versatility. It's a tablet and a laptop in one, making it perfect for artists who are always on the go or who need a device that can handle both creative tasks and everyday productivity. Chapter 5. Huion Canvas Pro 16. The versatile choice last, but not least, we have the Huion Canvas Pro 16. Huion has been making a name for themselves in the digital art space by offering great features at competitive prices. The Canvas Pro 16 is a testament to that, providing a large, high-resolution display and a responsive pen experience. The 16-inch display is great for artists who need more screen real estate for their work, and the laminated display minimizes parallax, making it feel like you're drawing directly on the screen. The included Huion PW517 pen boasts 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, tilt support, and minimal lag, ensuring a smooth and natural drawing experience. And with its sleek design and affordable price point, the Huion Canvas Pro 16 is a great option for artists of all levels, from beginners just starting out to professionals looking for a reliable and versatile tablet. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews and tips. Let me know in the comments which tablet you're excited to try out. Choosing the right tablet for your artistic journey is a personal decision. Each of these devices offers a unique set of features and capabilities, catering to different needs and budgets. Consider your workflow, your preferred drawing style, and your budget when making your choice. But most importantly, remember that the best tool is the one that inspires you to create. Until next time, keep creating.